Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Audi A6 e-tron. Open the charging flap and press the release to access the port, then confirm the vehicle is unlocked. Plug in a compatible cable, check the dashboard for charging status, and set a charging schedule if available to optimize battery health. Monitor charging through the app or in-car display, and unplug when complete, storing the cable securely for the next trip. To set up home charging, choose a certified Level 2 charger and confirm your electrical panel supports a dedicated circuit. Hire a licensed electrician to install a 240V outlet and ensure correct breaker sizing to avoid tripping during charging. Register your charger in the car app, enable scheduled charging for lower overnight rates, and position the unit so the cable reaches the charging port easily without stretching or creating hazards. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers are great for keeping snacks and charging day essentials tidy and spill-free when you travel to charging stops, and they make pit stops more pleasant. I find them handy in the trunk next to charging cables. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When using public chargers, plan stops using the vehicle navigation or an app to find compatible stations and connectors. At a DC fast charger, confirm connector type, start charging, and monitor charge percentage to avoid holding the spot longer than needed. Keep payment methods ready in the app or at the station, follow local etiquette by moving your car when finished, and have a backup station in mind in case the primary charger is busy or out of service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.